and we can just say here the collision result, right? And then here we just create it. In fact, I wonder if in the other test it makes sense. Nah, it's fine. I was thinking to create the collision result. Okay. So what do we care about? So we'll say setting and getting addition, right? Cool. And we can just say collision result dot set. Nope. dot set addition, and we'll say ABC. See, that's quite interesting. We could probably make that case insensitive in the future if we keep making mistakes here. Okay, and now we're just going to assert equal that the addition is going to be ABC. It's all very, very simple, but as we add functionality, it's probably nice to just have this most fundamental functionality of our data model tested, just so we know if something breaks at a low level, we don't. Because sometimes what happens, right, is something breaks at a low level, and then your head is so stuck at the higher level and you go crazy trying to debug the higher level, and you're like, oh no, it's just that helper function was broken, right? Because as you go up levels of abstraction, problems in the code become more expensive. Because there's so much more to reason about. Okay, so okay. All right, we have
success.
I find it disappointing that she says success when there's obviously an error. Okay, so test update with collision result, invalidating that set content. Test tail state 25. Okay, what's happening on 25? Okay, so that should be get content, right? And in fact, all of these need to start using their getters and setters, don't they? Okay, and that's going to be set addition. Okay, and that's going to be get contents. And get contents. Cool. So now when she says success, I actually believe her. Cool. All right. So you know what? I'm just going to commit there. Okay. So what changes do we make? So we added a couple of tests. And we'll say added tests for data model. Cool. So now that we've got our hands dirty with the tests, what I want to do is do something more. So I just wanted to start the stream with a small step,